Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Perp DEX alternatives on US access step by step clearly. To activate Perp DEX alternatives for US access, start by choosing a reliable virtual private network or VPN. Download and install the VPN application on your device. Open the VPN application and sign in with your credentials. Select a server located outside the United States. Connect to the chosen server. Once the connection is established, open your web browser. Visit the website of the Perp DEX alternative you want to use. Create an account by providing the required information. Verify your email address if prompted to do so. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section of the platform. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet, ensuring it's compatible with the DEX. Deposit funds into your wallet if needed. Explore the platform's features and options. You can now start trading on the Perp DEX alternative. Remember to monitor your connection for any potential disruptions. Always maintain your VPN connection while using the platform. Be aware of the legal implications of using DEX platforms in your region. Continue to educate yourself on trading strategies and market trends. You are now ready to engage in decentralized trading securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.